Mini projectors are getting smarter, brighter, and more versatile, and the YMGSCC P64 LED mini projector is a prime example. It's small, lightweight, and designed to bring your content to life wherever you need it. Whether that's a movie night at home, a gaming session, or a quick presentation at work, right out of the box, the design catches attention. It's compact enough to hold in one hand, yet it feels solid and premium. The matte finish adds a sleek look and reduces fingerprints, while the control buttons on top make navigation intuitive. You won't need to fumble around menus to adjust settings, making it user-friendly for everyone. The performance is impressive for a projector of this size. It uses an LED light source, which is not only energy efficient but also long-lasting. With a lifespan of around 20,000 hours, it offers years of use without worrying about replacing the bulb. The projector comes with a native 720p resolution and supports 1080p input, delivering clear, vibrant images that are perfect for casual viewing and small-scale presentations. Brightness is an important factor, and this projector provides 2000 lumens. While it performs best in dimly lit spaces, it's bright enough for bedrooms, living rooms, or small meeting rooms. Automatic keystone correction ensures that the projected image remains perfectly rectangular even if the projector is slightly tilted. This feature eliminates the hassle of manually adjusting angles for a clear picture. Connectivity is a strong point of the P64. It supports HDMI, USB, TF card slot, AV input, and Bluetooth, which makes it compatible with almost any device. For Android devices, screen mirroring is simple through HDMI or USB-C. For iOS devices, AirPlay works seamlessly, allowing wireless streaming without any additional cables. This flexibility makes it ideal for movies, gaming, or office presentations. Sound is handled by built-in stereo speakers, providing clear audio for casual viewing. While they're not designed to replace a full home theater system, they are perfect for everyday use. For a more immersive experience, external speakers can be connected through Bluetooth or a 3.5mm audio port. Portability is another advantage. Weighing less than a kilogram and with compact dimensions, the P64 can easily fit into a backpack for travel or outdoor use. Its efficient cooling fan prevents overheating during extended sessions, making it reliable for longer viewing or gaming periods. The user interface is simple and responsive. The onboard buttons or included remote make it easy to adjust settings like brightness, contrast, or color balance. The menus support multiple languages, making the projector accessible worldwide. Overall, the YMGSCC P64 LED mini projector combines portability, performance, and versatility in a small package. It's not meant to replace a high-end home theater system, but for casual entertainment, gaming, presentations, and travel, it provides everything you need. With sharp visuals, decent brightness, and broad device compatibility, it's a compelling choice for anyone looking for a compact projector solution.